Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0309, which means there's a misfire in cylinder number 9 of your engine. This can cause rough idling, reduced power, and even worse gas mileage. Don't worry though, we'll tackle some simple fixes you can try at home. Understanding the code. Before we dive in, let's understand what this code means. P0309 indicates that the engine computer has detected misfires specifically in cylinder number 9. This misfire prevents proper combustion, causing the engine to run poorly. Possible causes. There are a few common culprits behind a P0309 code. Spark plugs. Worn out or fouled spark plugs are a major suspect. They might not be creating a strong enough spark to ignite the fuel properly. Ignition coil. A faulty ignition coil can also disrupt the spark delivery to cylinder number 9. Wiring issues. Damaged or loose wiring connectors around the spark plug or coil can interrupt the signal. Now let's fix the problem. 2 methods to fix the P0309 code. Pop the hood and locate your engine's spark plugs. You might need to remove some plastic covers to access them. Use a spark plug wrench to carefully remove the plug from cylinder number 9. Inspect the spark plug. Is it worn, cracked, or dirty? If so, it's time for a new one. Check the gap between the center electrode and the ground electrode with a spark plug gapping tool. If the gap is too wide or narrow, adjust it carefully using the gapping tool. Repeat for all spark plugs, replacing any worn or damaged ones. Ignition coils deliver the spark to the spark plugs. They're usually located right on top of the spark plugs. Carefully remove the ignition coil for cylinder number 9. Look for any cracks, burns, or oil leaks. These are signs of a bad coil. Some vehicles allow you to swap the coil with another cylinder's coil to see if the code changes. If the misfire code jumps to the new cylinder, then the coil is bad. Replace the faulty ignition coil with a new one. Once you've replaced the spark plugs or ignition coil, clear the trouble code. You can do this with a scan tool or by following your car manufacturer's instructions. Take your car for a test drive. Does it run smoother? If the misfire is fixed, the code shouldn't come back. If you're still experiencing problems, there could be underlying issues and it's best to consult a mechanic. Remember, these are just some common fixes for a P0309 code. If you're not comfortable with these steps, don't hesitate to take your car to a professional. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive repair tips.